y'all. What kind of motor is this? Right lane for the win. TikTok, y'all got it wrong. Okay, we got Whitney Wells right here, y'all. She know what she doing, y'all. Girl. Lane for the win. She won a 694, y'all. She was dialed in for a 95. Golly. Okay, he won a 701.
701, 99.8 miles an hour.
Alrighty, y'all. For my people who watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look At Racing. Got it over there in 1080p widescreen. I'm trying to convert y'all over. Trying to grow my YouTube channel if you don't mind. Look out, look out.
Coming up next, it'll be Pro Blue round 3.
It'll be Pro Blue round right here, y'all.
I need Super Pro. Super
He
Pro.
needs
Super Pro, lanes 3, 4, 5, and 6 for your 5th round. Kevin Martin racing Justin Cervantes. Justin's on the right side in the Camaro. Dialed at 656.
Justin on the right side in the Camaro, y'all. He must be somebody.
On the tower
They
side.
calling his name. Y'all been on the right side? Right lane for the win,
More so Justin goes on to the next round. Jeremy Hepler's S10 Blazer. Pulls up to the line on the Elmer Dodge side of the Christmas tree. Jeremy has the S10 Blazer dialed at 685. So 1.2 seconds head start for the blue S10 Blazer. Super Pro to the lane. Super Pro to the lane.
Appreciate it, Cloud Rider. Hey, y'all, I'm finna plug up the iPhone, y'all. Hold on.
Bryce Hatfield. Next up, Bruce Mansfield. Goes first, like Chevy Bacon. Bryce Hatfield. On both sides, the Vega gets the win. Bruce Hodges, 6:33. Bryce Hatfield goes dead on with a 3 at 112 miles an hour, but a starting line advantage. Bruce Hodges.
Had to get everything plugged up.
Super Pro, 12 cars left on each of the stage lanes.
Got 12 cars left, y'all.
In your 5th round. Jeff Banks, Kenny Tier up next. 648 at 973 to dial in. And start the pickup.
What y'all think? He finna catch him or what?
Kenny Tier trying to catch the pickup.